Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing the unboxing video for Apple Watch Series 5. This is the first Apple Watch I've ever bought, so I went for the 44mm base grey black sport band 44mm. Didn't want the cellular one as I didn't see the point in getting the cellular one as I didn't want to pay the extra monthly cost for that feature. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I believe the unboxing process is similar to the generation before. I don't know exactly as I never owned one before. So first off, pull this top tab. Once we got that out of the way, we need to fold it over the back again. Pop these two tabs off. And open up the box. And there she is. That's the new Series 5 Apple Watch. We have the black sports band. I am going to replace this band in the future. It was just cheaper getting the Apple Watch. It's quite pricey as it is, as you probably know. Get some cool little graphics on the back of the box. So we'll pop that to the side for now. Track this back again. So if we lift off the top of the box, there you have it. The new Series 5 44mm Apple Watch. In here we've got some instructions, just basic setup guide, something you can probably figure out yourself. Then it comes with a standard charging plug. I'm in the UK, so it might look slightly different to the one that you have. Just clips open like that. And then the standard charging cable, which I'm struggling to open. Out there. You pull the tab at the back there. There you go. Standard base station for the device to charge. So the Apple Watch itself comes in this little sleeve. It's pretty neat. Notice it's very nice and shiny and new. This Apple Watch in particular has a storage capacity of 32GB. That's up from the last generation, the 4th gen of 16 as standard. And of course the big thing for this is the always on display. This is half the reason why I bought this device, is it will be replacing my normal watch, which is just a basic standard watch. But I like the idea of the always on display, as other companies have had it, but Apple of course took the time, but now they have it. I'm not sure why they couldn't have just done a software update on the 4th, as that has the LTPO screen. But anyway, so this is the 5th gen. Just pop that there. And the band itself, pull a little tab off over here. Open this up, and there we have it. Looks like it comes in two parts, the small and medium size of the band and the medium to large side of the band. I have no idea which one I'll be using, so I'll try that out in a second. Just move that box out of the way. Let's get the Apple Watch itself. So first thing we're going to do, I'm going to hold the button down on the side. I'm going to hold the correct button down on the side of the watch. I should have read the instructions. Just wait for that to fire up. And I will be pairing this with my iPhone 10. as I bought the iPhone 10 when it was first released and I didn't see the point in upgrading for the new iPhone 11 or the Pro, as the 10 still does the job brilliantly. So the first message that we get on screen is to present the iPhone across to the device. As you can see, we get a message, choose your Apple Home, set this up, click continue. Put your Apple Watch and hold it up onto the camera. As you can see, that is now paired. So let's click set up Apple Watch. Just set this up a little bit as well. I'll wear it on my left. Obviously that's personal preference. Accept the terms and conditions. Okay, Apple Watch workout, choose your location to track routes and location, that's fine. Enable route tracking, watch analytics. Yeah, share with Apple, why not? Apple Watch, okay. Set up a passcode. I'll set this up. Okay. If you'd like, find a little bit of information about yourself. I'll do this later. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. Continue. Set up Apple Pay. I will set that up later also. Continue. Add this card to wallet later. This card to wallet later. Emergency SOS, this is a really good idea. Got the clock faces. Installing available apps. I'm just going to click install all, as this will basically find the Apple equivalent of the apps you've already got installed that will work with the Apple Watch. So while that's doing that, let's take a look at the band. So firstly I'm going to take off this one, as I'm fairly confident that I will be using this half of the band. We'll remove that. And then to affix the band to the watch, I believe we just slide that onto there. Nope, the other way around. And then you hear it click. I don't understand why it says that, because on the instructions it shows it that side, but anyway. So what we will do initially is I'm thinking I may try out the small medium band. Slide that out there. Slide that back in, you will hear a little click. To ever remove or change these bands, you just press the little tab there and then pull the band back out again. So let's start with this. Pop that there. Drag that round. So I can just get it on my wrist, the small to medium one, but I'm probably going to swap it over to the large. As you can see, it's not a great fit, but I'll do that later. So that's on there. So let's move this back. Okay. Yeah, so like I mentioned previously, the Whole reason that I'm getting this Apple Watch is because I really like the idea of the always on display. I also like the health benefits, that it can keep you updated and notified if your heartbeat changes or the rate your heart beating changes basically. In fact, let's swap the band over now, while we're waiting for that to do that. So you hold down this tab here, and then theoretically they should just slide out. Let's try again. There you go. So it just slides out of there. I'm now going to grab the large band, and I believe that this comes across into here like that. So we'll get that onto there, put that through there. There you go, that looks a lot better. So while that's sinking, I think I'm going to pull off this screen protector, pop that over there, have a look at the display, tap to select, swipe to scroll and move, press firmly, more options, change the watch face. So it looks like we've gone through the general setup of the watch. I'm just going to pop it off my wrist and leave it to sync. Okay, so that's now finished. From here, press the crown start. And there we are, we've got a basic watch face. From the iPhone yourself, you can go through and change various settings. I would suggest you go through these one by one, just to customize it personally to your phone and watch. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.